This tutorial is about a macro that I want to use. Often when you're in Xcode and you write something like ns file manager or some other class name, you often have a need to write something like this. That is the same thing as the class name, but without ns and the capital letter turned into a lowercase letter. That is a convention. So wouldn't it be nice if you could just, when you're here, you could just write the shortcut and you would automatically get this. We will make a macro of this using Keyboard Maestro. But before we do the macro, let's see how we would do it manually. When we are here, we would hit Alt-Shift left key to select it. Then we would hit Command-C to copy it. Then right arrow key. Then space star. Then Command V to paste it in. Then we would go and delete the first two letters, and then we would make this into lowercase, and then we would click here. So that is what we want to simulate in the Keyboard Maestro. So let's open up Keyboard Maestro. This. Let's, for this tutorial, make a new group. We will call it My Macros, for instance, and available in the following applications: Xcode, and let's also take text edit because we want to test it here. Then we can take away it after the test by hitting this minus button. So here we have macros. Now there is empty, so let's create one, and let's call this, for instance, instance variable name, like that. Some type of trigger. Let's, for instance, take 2 semicolons and have this simulate 2 deletes before executing. So, new action. The first thing we want to do is to type a keystroke. Let's go here to Other and hit Alt-Shift left arrow. That is so we select the previous word. And then we want to copy. And after copying, we want to put this inside a variable so we can manipulate it inside the variable. So let's go to variables, set variable to clipboard, and set variable. It's suggested variable. We can use some other, but let's keep variable as our name, doesn't matter. So we put it in our clipboard. And now we want to take a substring out of it. Substring, let's go from 3 and up to some high number, the maximum number that we can think of. Let's take 50 letters or something like that. Okay, and after we took the substring, we put it back in the variable. And let's also filter the variable. So we take lowercase first. So we flip the f here to lowercase f. So now we have selected it in the clipboard. We must hit the right arrow to go out of the clip mode, and now we insert text space star, and we want also to insert what we have inside our variable called variable. So let's test if this works. If we are here and we press semicolon semicolon, then we get our result just as we wanted. Okay, thank you for watching.